Hello guys, welcome to this video. And if you like to make $10 in 10 minutes, then stick around with me and I'm going to show you an opportunity that's gonna allow you to accomplish that. So stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much daily that teaches you exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to push the notification bell because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. And if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right after working from home, this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that system. Guys, the people who gone through the system are now generating their first sale online. So it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information. So let's get into this video. So guys, the today website we're gonna talk about is called Analysia.com. So you can go directly visit by Analysia.com. And how this work. So you're gonna simply sharing your experience and they want your opinion and you get paid surfing websites while telling them what to think about those websites. Okay. So this is gonna be a testing opportunity. So let's take a look here. So what does the test involve? So you will be asked to read some instructions and complete tasks on a website. So this session will be recorded guys and your screen and audio will be saved. So it typically takes around 15 minutes you to complete this up, and it's not too bad of a time commitment here. And the amount of money you are gonna be making, it's pretty good. I think it's $10 or 15 minutes of your time. So it's actually really good. Okay. So who qualifies for this test? So anybody with an internet connection and a microphone can take part in this, and they accept a good variety of users from many locations in many different profiles. So technically this could be considered a worldwide opportunity. However, we'll talk about it how might not be a worldwide opportunity here in a little bit. Okay, so how long does the test take? So it takes about 15 minutes, which is great. It's nice and short, so I can take about your time. So you get paid about $10 for each test that you take, and you get paid by through PayPal. And how do you get contacted? So they're gonna give you an email, and when they have a test or task for you to complete, and this is the most important ways. How many tests can I expect to do? Now $10 for each test is really a good deal guys, and unfortunately they're gonna be a lot of more testers and they are going to be companies that need these specific tasks taken. So is this is very popular opportunity? Like I said, getting paid $10 for just few minutes, and there are many testers who want that, and statistically there are less customers than testers. So alright, so you cannot expect to do a test per day. Alright, so it will be dependent on your profile, and some companies need specific tester profile. Alright, so for example, if I am an American company that I don't want to have a tester that's coming from like Pakistan, Afghanistan or any other countries like that, so it's gonna be specific to where you are in the world, how often you get these tests. Now if you need another way to make money online guys, more consistent way to make more money, not just $10 per day, like $100 a day online, just click the first link in the description of this video so I can get you the information on how this is absolutely possible for you, and so how you can change everything that's going in your life. So if you want to learn more, click the first link in the description of this video. And guys, I leave a link in the description of the video, this website, so you can go directly from there. So that's it for the today's guys. If you like my video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and have a nice day.